cold weld. I mixed it. Okay. That's it. When it's finished, you can sand it because it dries pretty hard. You can sand it when it's finished. If you want to look neat, sand it, and then you could just paint it. Look back like the original. Okay, when I'm finished and installing, I'll show you that it's not leaking. That's guaranteed to hold. It's... Can you see? This camera's not focusing properly. Okay, that's it.